I said I've had enough of all this nonsense going on social media. I mean, what is it? Again, every day you come out insults. What nonsense? Are you going to tell me how to live my life? No, I'm asking a question. Are you people going to tell me how to live, the decisions to make for myself? Are you going to tell
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, Judy don't come out, don't provoke, or say, you don't know why the whole world they drag them for social media. Say, you leave your wife, come meet them. They say they don't know waiting they can take decision. Say, they marry again. People don't know. Everybody they attack her. Everybody they drag her. Me, I don't feel talk. I say, before a matured man like that just decide, say, they marry upon 4 children where the woman give them, something will dey under. The person not for you take that kind of decision like that. Because now with this woman start together when even money never did. So I don't really know the reason why man will just take decision. Because people they drag him, they say he do bad. But for person will really take decision, my people, we not know what the woman, what really they cause the problem for us. What make the two of them not end up together. You understand? They happen. So Judy talk so many things. I put the video, may not be like saying I made a talk. I don't want to talk for this video. I put and make on a list. Bye everybody. Bye.
I said I've had enough of all this nonsense going on social media. I mean, what is it? Again, every day you come out insults. What nonsense? Are you going to tell me how to live my life? No, I'm asking a question. Are you people going to tell me how to live, the decisions to make for myself? Are you going to tell a grown-up man? Are you going to tell you Edochie how to live his life? Somebody did 41 years, for goodness sake. What nonsense? I've had it. I've had enough of all this rubbish. Okay? Just about she will just, or he, whoever the faceless blogger is, will make a stupid post spreading lies upon lies about people. Unverified posts, unverified information. And then is that how gullible people are? No, really, is that how gullible people are that everything you hear you swallow? Where's the common sense? Don't you people have common sense anymore? Where's the common sense? Are you not using your God-given brain anymore? Anything just over there calling us, yeah, just what nonsense? What nonsense? I'm asking, what rubbish? You people will come and tell me how to live my life. You tell me the decision to make for myself, something that I feel like, oh, this is what I want to do. Have you seen me dictating how you live your life for you? Have you seen me telling you do this or do that? Do I judge you? What nonsense? Then if say you listen to stupid faceless blogger, then you come to my page or you go to those pages to come and type nonsense. You wait for. I've had it. Did you hear me? I said enough. The fact that I've been silent all this while does not mean that I don't know what to say. The fact that for the past 1 year that I've not responded to any of you, that I've not responded to Gist Lover, that I've not said anything does not mean that I'm Hengeku. But at this point, I've had it. I've had it. What rubbish? You see people acting as if they are Virgin Mary. Are you Jesus? Are you our Blessed Virgin Mary? Are you Jesus? What right do you have? No, seriously. Ibuchuku. Unabuchuku. What right do you have to judge me? Simply because somebody will come out and say their own, and then others will be gingering them out. Then you think it gives you the right. It gives you the right to insult somebody that you don't know for complete 1 year and continue doing it. Jesus. Are you guys not okay? Are you guys okay upstairs? Are you okay? No, really, are you guys okay? How do you come out every day? What you do every day is to insult somebody and insult you again, and then you think you're normal. You're not normal. Enough of it. Ozgo, enough of it. Enough of the insults. Oh, enough. You can't carry on verified gists and be running around town claiming to know. You don't know anything. You're only operating based on the information. And if you won't carry half-beat information. That's not how things are done. And at this point, I've had it. Okay? I am going to start exposing everybody involved in this. What I will say, the information I'm going to release, the ones people don't you people don't even know anything. You think you do, but you don't actually know anything. And it is time, because I've had it. Everybody's just keeping silence. And then they say, hi, the same corner. People are just looking to see her hair. Let's see the drag that just will drag Judy or you. Enough of it. I am going to start exposing everybody. Okay, for that kind of worm, everybody. If for that bees, it will swallow all of us this time around. Because if you're implicated in it, enjoy it. If I implicate you, enjoy it. If anything I'm going to say and you find it's trouble at Piagi, well, yeah, take it. Since all of us are acting Jesus, now I ain't telling you we are all saints. Everybody is holier than thou. Enough. I'm going to expose everybody. I'm coming on live. Yes. I said I'm coming on live. Come with your questions. Because I've had it up to here. Ozugo. I've had it. I'm going to expose every single one of you. Whatever it is you need me to address, I will address it. But my point is that enough of the insults. So that by the time I'm done with this life, then somebody will talk about me again, call trash. Only God knows what will happen. Only God knows. I'm coming on live on Edochie's Facebook verified page. I'm coming on live on his verified page on Facebook. Come tomorrow by 8 p.m. Come tomorrow by 8 p.m. and I will expose every single one of you. All the holier than thous. All the Chineke people. All the people acting as if, we are Virgin Mary. We have not done it. That girl, she's very stupid. Let's destroy her. Everybody, I will expose all of you. All the lesbians in their husband's house, I will expose every single one of you. All the pimps. Okay, from the industry. All the pimps in their husband's house, pimping my married women, my single women, to married men. All of you get exposed, every single one of you. Because all of you have been parading like your Jesus and saints. Hey, Judy, hi, that girl is demon. Hi, you is a Osuko. Do you people know how I met you? No, do you people know how I met you? Only if you know, man, you people don't know anything. A 40-year-old man will wake up and make a decision about his own life that you people don't know why he took that decision. And then you will come out to insult him. You will come out to say what you don't know. You come out to open your mouth. You come out to open your mouth to challenge him on a decision that he took for his own life. Do you people know why he made the decision? What I'm going to expose, what I'm going to say tomorrow will shock everybody. I shock the world. Because I've had it. Those go, the insult, I did enough. Enough of it. Enough of the lies. Just about will wake up and be destroying people's family. You will be gingering the just on because it's not you. You're gingering the just hey, yes, destroy them, let us know. Because it's not you. Don't worry. One day it will get to your turn. And the same Jehovah will destroy your name and you cannot say anything because he's so in a ginger when the faceless blogger was doing it to another person. Because celebrities are not human beings. They are not human beings. We don't have the same blood on our veins. Yeah? I'm going to expose a whole lot tomorrow by 8 p.m. Come to Edochie's Facebook verified page. By 8 p.m. Come with whatever question you think you have. But what I'm going to say tomorrow, the gist, the main gist, inside the gist that I'm going to release tomorrow will shock you. I got shocked when I'm telling you. And at this point, I've had it. I've had it. Enough of the silence. I've had it. Enough of the silence. I've had it. Okay? Thank you. See you people tomorrow by 8 p.m.